So in exploring Canada, we had to try their famous A&W Smash Burger place. Come to find out, they're the same company that make the root beer floats and the same root beer that I love to drink over in the US. So we came and ordered us a smash burger, a chubby chicken sandwich, and we bounced up out of there. We also decided to do a little shopping in Walmart. And check this out. What's up with all of the flags hanging around everywhere? Canadians are definitely proud of their country, and I don't blame them. It's beautiful. But anyways, on to the meat department. One thing that I noticed is most of the meat is carried by this fresh market, and I, in America, know that this is part of Walmart's brand. They are so organized. Like, the only time I've ever had this level of cleanliness and organization is when I shopped at Publix. I've never once in my life in the US went to a Walmart and everything was so beautiful and inviting and organized as them. So shout out to Canada. On to the next, I decided to try this place called Hortons. Someone told me that it was one of their very popular coffee chains. I'm going to say it's equivalent to going to a Dunkin' Donuts. Tim Hortons is definitely not a Starbucks, but check out the line. It's always long, no matter what part of Canada you visit. There's long lines everywhere. I didn't know what I wanted to order, so I went ahead and ordered just a basic dark roast coffee and nothing else, but check out the menu. I also went to a McDonald's because, like, who doesn't like McDonald's, right? But look at how clean and beautiful the place is. I could not find litter anywhere. So we're in Richmond Hill, Ontario. Look at the houses. The apartments are also as equally as beautiful. I think that Canada meticulously pay attention to things like ambiance, sanitation, and all of the above. So I'm now at the Hillcrest Mall, and it's a really nice, quaint little mall. And we went to the bank there actually. We visit A&W again. The smash burgers were really good. But in the mall, they have this Popeyes, this Bermuda. We ended up going to this Cajun place. The food was really, really good. And we left and did some more exploration. So here's some apartments in Canada. And this is the Richmond Hills area where we drove around the single family homes and the apartments just to show everyone like what it looks like in Canada. And I'm actually really loving what I see. It's really beautiful. It's really peaceful. It's really clean. I see Canada as a place that I do want to visit more on the regular.